She. I'm back today with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how much money I've made on Facebook Marketplace so far. I started as a seller on Facebook Marketplace way back in January, February. Actually longer than that if you include the fact that I was already kind of like buying furniture and flipping it before I created this business. But January, February time frame, I created an LLC, I got my business license, and I started selling at an antique mall. So on Facebook Marketplace, I was finding a lot of success posting my painted furniture there. And then sometimes, like when things were really slow at the antique mall, which in my experience was pretty much the entire time I was there, I don't feel like really I got a ton of sales just from being in the antique mall. I feel like most of my sales came from taking pictures of my items and posting them on Facebook Marketplace, and then when people ask me about the item, I would tell them to go pick it up from the antique mall. So anyway guys, I started doing that, but I just started shipping on Facebook Marketplace back in August. So today I'm going to be doing a sales recap. This does not include any of my painted furniture. These are only the items that I have shipped via Facebook Marketplace, okay? I want you guys to like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be posting more content like this for thrift resellers and furniture painters. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on this new content. Alright guys, so the very first item that I sold was a Victoria's Secret bra. This bra I paid $3 for, and here's what it looked like. $3 for this bra, and it sold for $12. It was brand new with tags, and I got it from the thrift store. The next item I sold was these really beautiful bookends. Now these bookends I picked up from a thrift store during the shutdown. These gold bookend hands, sorry about the lighting guys, but they were gold, and they would be really nice on a bookshelf. So what I did, they already came in like a bronzy color, and I went ahead and just spray painted them gold. I got them for $1.98, and I sold for $40. That's the thing I've been loving about Facebook Marketplace. Like, people really just don't mind paying money. They just don't mind at all, guys. So the next thing I sold, guys, was this little red purse. Now this purse I got from AliExpress, and I don't remember how much I paid for it, and I really was trying to get rid of it at this point. But it was a little red, like Hermes style like purse. So I don't remember how much I paid, but I just wanted to get rid of it, and I sold it for $28 on Facebook Marketplace. Next guys, I sold these Acme leather cowboy boots, and I think these were like man-made material upper, and I think the sole was leather. So I overpaid for these at the thrift store. I actually got these for $20, and I only sold them for $34. So this wasn't a great flip, but nonetheless I sold them and was able to make my money back. But it was just a pair of leather cowboy boots in a size 8. Next guys, and I really like selling shoes. Shoes are really easy to sell. So I got this bag, guys. A lot of women are starting to carry guns these days. So when I saw this bag in the thrift store, it looked really high quality. The material felt great. So I went and checked it out, and it said Montana West on the inside. And apparently Montana West makes like Western style handbags. And this one has like a concealed carry pocket in the back. So, you know, a girl can be cute, fashionable, and strapped at the same time. It was in a really pretty like teal leather color. Anyway, I got it for $5 at my local Goodwill, and I was able to sell it for $45 on Facebook Marketplace. So next guys, I sold these picture frames. Now this was a disaster because these picture frames, like I only put one sheet of bubble wrap, and they were these coral beautiful pictures. They were framed. They already had a few scratches, but apparently I did not pack them well because the customer complained. They paid $50 for them, and I bought them for $8.25 a piece, I think, or either it was $8.25 for both. I can't remember. But anyway, so I sold them for $50, and the customer was not too happy about the condition that they arrived in. So I felt really bad about that. And that's why now I don't play no games when it comes to like wrapping stuff securely. I like when I have clients and I order stuff from Amazon for them, I like beg for the boxes. I take the bubble wrap, the foam, everything, and I use that to package my stuff. That way a customer isn't upset about the way something arrives. So next, guys, I did a little bit of retail arbitrage, and what that means is that you go into like a retail store and buy things to resell. So Rae Dunn is a very, very popular brand. And I end up selling this blanket for $28 over on Facebook Marketplace. It just says give thanks. I know you guys have seen stuff with that font before. Very, very popular, always at TJ Maxx. I paid $16.99 for it and it sold for $28. Now on Mercari, which is another platform, I've been selling them for $39 each. So I don't really post them on Facebook. I haven't posted on Facebook, but I really am happier when they sell on Mercari because I always make $40 every time. Next, guys, I have this little pink vintage style mirror. And this one I sold for 40 bucks. It's just really pretty pink carved. I paid $4.25 for it and I sold for $40. I love flips like that. That is just like amazing when I can sell items at that price. Next, guys, we have another Victoria's Secret bra. Now, bras have been like a really big seller for me. Some people think it's gross. Girl, I don't care. People buy them every day, all day, especially like the Victoria's Secret ones that have nice patterns to them or a nice color. So this one I paid $3.99 at Goodwill and sold it for $15 on Facebook Marketplace. And it actually sold the same day I posted it. So that's always nice when that happens. Next, I sold this Rae Dunn bath set. Now, the Rae Dunn bath set was not actually a set. It was just two items that I grouped together because I figured in a bathroom you could have like a canister that has like your toiletries inside. Oh God. You could have a canister that has like your toiletries inside. I'm trying to make it focus, but it won't. And on the little canisters it says 1, 2, 3, and then the soap dish says soap. So guys, the soap container was $7.99 and the canister was $12.99. So I sold them together for 48 bucks. So not bad at all. And what I found is that the Rae Dunn like stuff that can be used every day sells better than the Rae Dunn holiday stuff. So I try to stay away from the holiday stuff if I can help it. The holiday blankets have been selling, but not the little ceramic pumpkins. Anyway, guys, next I sold this Victoria's Secret bombshell bra. It was in a size 34B. I was really surprised that this bra sold because clearly it has a hole in the front. But I'm telling you, Victoria's Secret bras with any type of pattern really sell. Pattern or color sells every day. So I sold it for $16 and I got that from the thrift store for $3.99. Next, guys, I finally sold this shabby chic clock. This clock I got from the thrift store. Hey, Oreo, you're a little late. Say hi to the people. Hi, baby, baby. Hi, Oreo, Oreo. Okay, guys, so I guess Oreo's going to hang out for the rest of the video. So, anyway, this clock sold for $35. It's a shabby chic clock. Now, this clock I paid $5 for at the thrift store. Me and Mackenzie added some transfers. And we painted the outer of it white and kind of distressed it. So that's sold and we shipped it for $35. Next, guys, we have two Victoria's Secret pink bras. These are really pretty. I knew they would go fast because of the color. It was like a red tropical printed one, and then there was a navy blue lace. These bras are in really great condition. I swear to you, they were just new without tags. Size was 34B, and I sold them for $29 for both. Paid $3.99 for each. Next, guys, I sold a set of plates. Dishes last week did really good for me. So these were 1970s vintage Le Poète Laval France porcelain plates, 10 inches. It was a set of 5. Now these kind of look like lettuce, and these lettuce plates, guys, I paid $5.25 for, and they sold for $45. So I was happy about that. I just got a notification. I was trying to clear it. Next, guys, I sold this metal like urn jar, and this I paid like $3.25 for it. I had this since like January, and finally something was like, girl, just post it on Facebook Marketplace. So someone ended up buying it. This one had a really lovely patina on it. The jar lifted up and it like attaches or whatnot. So I sold that for $14 the same day I posted it. Next, guys, these Harker & Co. pottery plates. They have 24 karat gold trim on them. Okay, guys, if you hear noise in the back, it's Mackenzie. She's making a pizza.
I already made it.
So we're about to eat it. So, guys, next I have these Harker & Co. pottery plates. These plates, I know you can't really see them. Let me try to get the, there we go. So these Harker & Co. pottery plates, they're like super old and vintage, 24 karat gold trim. There was a set of 6 of them. I sold them for $24. I just really was trying to get rid of them. I think I probably paid about $7 or $8 for them. You want to say hello?
Hi.
Say hi.
Bye.
Tell them why you hate thrifting.
Because it's cheap.
No, why do you hate going thrifting?
I just don't like going.
Why?
Because it's boring.
It's so much fun.
Boring.
She hates doing it. So anyway, we leave her at home. So anyway, guys, this next I sold this pink ruffle dress. Now this is something I got from AliExpress, and it was just too small for me. Like, always was a little bit too small. So I used the AliExpress picture. It's like a really pretty cute pink ruffly dress. There we go. And then I just took my own pictures. So I took my own pictures. Anyway, I just sold it for $22. Instead of letting it rot in my closet, I just got rid of it. So I hope that it went on to the next home. And I hope it fit her, because it never fit me, unfortunately. I ordered it. I should have ordered a large, but I ordered a medium. Next, guys, I sold this wicker shaped basket. This was a Pier 1 basket. I think I paid like $4 for it, and I sold it for $16. That was another item that I posted the same day I posted it. So if you have junk laying around your house, please take pictures of it and put it on Facebook Marketplace and offer shipping, because people are up there buying junk every day, all day. Next, guys, is another Victoria's Secret ball. This one was a 36 double D, I think. It was a pink bra, so really bright, pretty red. It had the lacy racer back. That one sold for $24. It did not have a tag on it at all, but it looked brand new. Somebody paid $24 for it. I was super excited. So some days when I go thrifting, guys, I literally just go look for bras, because the colorful, pretty bras sell. They sell all day, every day. And matter of fact, today is Wednesday, so I think I'm going to run to the Salvation Army after this video and go look for bras, because they do 25% off of everything, and then hit the DAV across the street. So next, guys, I sold these framed floral artworks, and these are actually just shipped today. I had a really hard time finding a box for these. So anyway, these were $6.25 a piece. Just some pretty artwork. They were in really good shape. They had a frame. They sold for $40. Next, guys, I sold this Urbanware chrome plated vintage butter dish. This is another item I had in my booth, so something was just like, girl, just take a picture of it. I listed it for $16. I ended up marking it down to $13. I believe I paid $7 for it, so it wasn't the greatest profit, but I was kind of just happy to make my money back on it. Next, guys, and I'm almost done. Can you believe it? So next, guys, I sold these chippy pillar style vintage candlestick holders. These I just got the other day at the thrift store. When I saw them, I knew they would sell. So another thing I had a problem finding a box for, but I had to like tape 2 boxes together and like triple double wrap it with bubble wrap and foam. But these were $11 for the 2, and I sold them for $32. So when I saw them, I knew they would go quick, because they're so pretty, and especially after I took a picture with this little faux grass background. Whenever people, I don't know, they go crazy for that. Everything sells faster when it's up against the background. So next, guys, I sold this Victoria's Secret plunge bra. It's in a size 36C. Again, very pretty, vibrant pink. And this one sold for $18. Paid $3.99 for it. Next, guys, I sold this vintage VH Grinley English Country Inns coffee teapot from the 1950s. This sold the same day I posted it too, and I think because the color was just so pretty with that grassy background. It's like one of my favorite pictures I've ever taken, honestly. Like, look at that contrast. But anyway, I paid $3.99 for this, and it sold for $29. And last but certainly not least, guys, are these periwinkle teacups. Now, I actually bought these for myself, and I was gonna keep them because I was like, these are so freaking pretty. Like, look at the inside of that. That is so pretty. Like, that's the inside of the teacup, and it's like a really pretty light periwinkle color, beautiful design on the outside. So anyway, I bought a set of 6 of them for $4.25, and they sold for $27. So anyway, guys, that is the conclusion of this video. If you are not selling on Facebook Marketplace, girl, what are you doing? You need to hurry up, go buy some stuff from the thrift store and sell it. It's just been really fun. I never thought I would want to ship things at the post office every day, but it's just nice, like, while you're sleeping, to make money. So in addition to my home decorating business and painting furniture, I also sell thrifted items on Facebook Marketplace, Mercari, and OfferUp, and so far it's been doing really good. So I don't have quite enough sales on OfferUp or Mercari to, like, I don't know, I'll probably have to combine those two in a separate video, and I'll be happy to do that for you guys. But thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it a ton. And if you want more videos on how I make a living selling thrifted home decor, then make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below, let me know which one was your favorite item, and I'll see you guys in the next video.